Hello, and Manalis is here, or they called me Nai Intanyan Manalis, only known in Facebook. So here's the review. Ciclo. Yeah, this is gonna be a good, the main the creations that you will never saw. So here the anything I've made up. So this is very cool. Very cool, but this one is made it by the one and only, the oldest made pattern from Jamaica. But now, the newer version that he made, the tricycle mode. So, did you see this? His capsule very nice, but anything is looks good from Erwin Imagine Farms. He knows his the cab, the sidecar. So here we're gonna be make it transform. There's very simple. So you need it to this one is gonna be removed on. So later on the cab. Here's the transformation that you saw. So let's get later on his legs. I mean the arms to there. Yeah, here you go. Here's Ciclo. That's right. Here's the sidecar that you'll see. Gonna be when doing it in something is good, and then gonna be this is gonna be simple. Here we are. This is gonna be here's gonna be the hovercraft to
it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright.
and then flip down, and you just trying on with it. So here we go. The hovercraft here, nice hovercraft. And then the green line is belongs to Ciclo. Then it's gonna be on it.
Harry, this is not you. Harry, put her down. Harry is dead. Harry, this is between you and me. You wanna fight? Fight me. Let her go.
Okay, so here slide it up the side. Okay, here they are. We got a Ciclo hovercraft ride mode. Yeah, I'm not that his guy, so he is like a nice, but I like him. Yeah, I like him. He's gonna be flying over that, something that he didn't know. Yeah, he tries to, but otherwise he's good. He's nice, but it's like that something that you've seen it. But otherwise, in the trick mode from the oldest K-Zone that he appeared, that name called Ciclo, he appeared as in K-Zone with Hitler, but he renewed. Look at him. His looks nice. So the hovercraft is gonna be slide up, and there's something sliding up. Yeah. Here are the Ciclo. So, and that's my review today. If you like it, to like, and my own my new account's gonna be owned from my name Ian Ian Tanyan Manalis, that you will search me in Facebook. So add me and you will see my videos, all the goods. So there's ENT Manalis. I see you there. And coming up, it's gonna be reviewed Nusho. Yeah, I like that guy. Goodbye and arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara.